Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the Fantastech Sale 2, October 2025. If new gadgets make you smile, you'll love this. Fantastech dropped their October sale, and there's honestly some solid picks. Figured I'd run through what caught my attention. Let's get into it. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The 10th Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the STORMCRAFT Gaming PC. Now, priced at $1,899.99, you're getting 17% off the original price of $2,299.99. So, spec breakdown: Intel i9 14900KF paired with the new RTX 5070 Ti. That's serious horsepower. The 5070 Ti brings AI-powered frame generation, basically free performance in supported games. You're looking at maxed out 1440p easy 4K gaming. 32 gigs of DDR5 at 6000 MHz means multitasking is butter smooth. Streaming while gaming? No sweat. 2 TB NVMe gives you actual storage space, so you finally don't have to delete games every week. They included a 360mm AIO, so thermals stay chill even when that i9 goes beast mode. 850-watt PSU means headroom for upgrades too. Windows 11 Home pre-installed. RGB if you're into that. Honestly, solid pre-built if you don't want to DIY. The 9th Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the Samsung 990 Pro 2 TB SSD. Now priced at $159.99, you're getting 20% off the original price of $199.99. PCIe Gen 4 pushing 7,450 megabytes per second sequential reads. That's insane. Game load times basically disappear. We're talking seconds for massive open world titles. If you're doing video editing or 3D rendering, exports fly. 2 TB is the sweet spot right now. Enough for your OS, work files, and a solid game library without constantly juggling storage. It's built on Samsung's vNAND tech, so reliability is top tier. These drives have serious endurance ratings. This thing will outlast most builds. The 8th Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the Samsung 990 Pro 1 TB SSD. Now priced at $99.99, you're getting 21% off the original price of $127.99. Same killer performance as the 2 TB model. PCIe Gen 4, 7,450 megabytes per second reads. Your boot times, under 10 seconds. But why go 1 TB over 2 TB? Budget. If you're primarily gaming and keep maybe 5 to 10 titles installed, this is plenty. Pair it with a cheaper SATA SSD for bulk storage and you're golden. Perfect for a clean OS drive or your main game library. Content creators on a budget can rock this for their project drive too. Sale pricing makes this even sweeter. Definitely worth grabbing if 2 TB feels like overkill. The 7th Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the AOACE Cyclone Aqua Gaming PC. Now priced at $1,099.99, you're getting 21% off the original price of $1,399.99. This gaming PC sports an i7 14700F paired with the RTX 5060. The big thing here is DLSS 4 with AI frame generation. Your GPU uses AI to create extra frames between real ones, boost performance without tanking quality. 32 GB DDR5 at 6,400 MHz, super fast memory. You can run your game, have Discord open, browser tabs going, music streaming, handles everything smooth. 1 TB NVMe SSD gets you fast boots and quick game loads. Liquid cooling keeps temps under control during long sessions. The AI performance tech is legit impressive, really changes how games run on this hardware. The sixth Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the AOACE Eurus Aqua Intel Core i9 Gaming PC. Now, priced at $1,999.99, you're getting 25% off the original price of $2,699.99. So remember that Cyclone Aqua, this is basically its big brother. AOACE Eurus Aqua rocks the i9 14900KF instead of the i7. Way more cores, way more power. Paired with the RTX 5070 Ti, that's a serious jump from the 5060. Same DLSS4 AI magic, but now you're pushing 4K instead of just 1440p. Still got 32 gigabytes of that screaming fast DDR5 at 6400 megahertz, but now you get 2 terabytes storage. Same liquid cooling setup, keeping everything frosty, so basically, if the Cyclone is the sweet spot, the Eurus is the no-compromise option. You're getting flagship performance here. The fifth Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the AOACE Eurus Aqua Intel Core Ultra 9 Gaming PC. Now priced at $2,599.99, you're getting 25% off the original price of $3,499.99. AOACE went even crazier with this one. Another Eurus Aqua, but now powered by ACES components. Intel Core Ultra 9, 285K, that's the new architecture, not the 14th gen stuff. More efficient, better AI processing built in, RTX 5080 instead of the 5070 Ti. That's a massive GPU upgrade. You're talking max settings, 4K gaming, with headroom to spare. DLSS4 on a 5080 is genuinely wild performance. Same 32 gigabyte DDR5 at 6400 megahertz, and 2 terabyte NVMe setup. Liquid cooling handles that Ultra 9 no problem. The ASUS partnership means premium motherboard and components. Build quality bump over the standard models. So you got the Cyclone with i7 5060 standard, Eurus with i9 5070 Ti, and now this beast with Ultra 9 5080. 3 tiers, pick your performance level. The fourth Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the AOACE Stratos 2 Aqua Gaming PC. Now priced at $1,549.99. You're getting 35% off the original price of $2,399.99. This one's running Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF with RTX 5070, so it's that new Intel architecture like the Ultra 9, but the mid-tier chip. Still gets all the efficiency and AI improvements though. RTX 5070 with DLSS4 sits right between the 5060 and 5070 Ti we saw earlier, crushes 1440p, handles 4K pretty well on most games, 32 gigabytes, DDR5 at 6400 megahertz, and 2 terabyte storage, same solid spec as the higher-end Eurus models. Liquid cooling keeps everything running smooth. So where does this fit? It's basically between the Cyclone and the standard Eurus. New Intel Ultra architecture, but not the flagship chip. Good balance if you want that newer platform without going full send. The third Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the Ningmei Gaming PC desktop. Now priced at $539, you're getting 46% off the original price of $999. AMD Ryzen 55500 boosting to 4.2 gigahertz with a GTX 1660 Super. This is your reliable 1080p gaming rig. Handles esports titles easily. AAA games on medium to high settings run smooth. 16 gigabyte DDR4 at 3200 megahertz gets the job done. 1 terabyte NVMe SSD for storage and fast loads. 650 watt PSU gives you decent power headroom. Comes with 6 RGB fans, so airflow and aesthetics are covered. Built-in 11 AC Wi-Fi means no Ethernet cable required. This is a great entry point if you're getting into PC gaming or need something dependable without spending crazy money. The second Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the AOACE Gaming PC desktop. Now priced at $869, you're getting 51% off the original price of $1,799.99. RTX 5060 with DLSS4 is the main attraction. AI frame generation basically doubles your frame rates in supported games. That tech is legit game-changing for performance. 32 gigabytes of RAM is huge. Most builds at this price point give you 16 gigabyte. Having 32 means you can game, stream, run whatever in the background without slowdowns. That's a big deal. Wi-Fi 6E is clutch. Super low latency, crazy fast speeds. If you can't run Ethernet, this is the next best thing for online gaming. i5 14400F handles everything you throw at it. 1 terabyte. NVMe keeps load times quick. The design actually looks pretty fresh too, not your typical cookie cutter case. The best Fantastech Sale 2 deal on our list is the MSI Raider GE68Hx 14 VFG 297 US. Now priced at $1,079.99. You're getting 52% off the original price of $2,249.99. So you've got a 16-inch QHD Plus screen running at 240 Hertz, which is absolutely wild for a laptop. Everything feels incredibly responsive, especially in fast-paced games where that high refresh really shines. Powering all that is the i7 14700HX with an RTX 4060. Desktop class horsepower in something you can actually carry around. The 4060 Mobile handles modern games at high settings, while the HX series CPU tackles streaming or rendering when you need it. In terms of storage, you get 1 terabyte main drive, plus another 512 gigabyte NVMe. That's 1.5 terabyte total, so you're not constantly managing space. Killer Wi-Fi 7 keeps your connection rock solid, whether you're gaming online or transferring files. This is legit portable powerhouse territory. And there you have it, folks, the Fantastech Sale 2, October 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.